Hi lovely people, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to make caramelized onion pasta. This is one of the best money saver recipe. Before I start cooking, allow me to go through the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have unsalted butter, red onion rings, coconut milk, shito or black pepper dip, oil, salt, seasonings, and spaghetti. Now let's get started. In my pot I have already added my spaghetti. Then I will go in with water, or you can add the spaghetti to the water once it's boiling. Whatever works for you, go for it. While the spaghetti is cooking, I will move on to scrambling my eggs. This is optional to use. You can also use shrimps, seafood, protein, or completely omit using any protein or seafood. Once the eggs are beautifully scrambled, I will set it aside and check on the spaghetti. It should be cooked al dente, as it will be continuously cooked later on. I will start with preparing the creamy sauce. In my saucepan, I will add oil and unsalted butter. Stir frequently for about 3 minutes, making sure it doesn't burn. To add creaminess, richness, and a depth of flavor, I will add coconut milk and stir. At this point, lower the heat to medium-low and continue cooking for about 2 minutes. To add a kick to this recipe, I will go in with my homemade shito or black pepper dip. If you don't have shito or black pepper dip, you can also use chili oil. I have made shito before and I will leave the link in the description box, as well as the chili oil recipe. For a bit more of heat, I will add a bit of dried chili flakes, which is optional to use. Then mix till it's well combined. To enhance the taste of this recipe, I will add garlic and herb seasoning, aroma stock powder, which is an all-purpose seasoning, chili and garlic seasoning. Then mix till it's well combined. For a bit more of taste, I will go in with salt and mix again. So I had to add a bit more of the coconut milk for a slightly more creaminess. This is a fast-free, budget-friendly recipe, and most of the ingredients are pantry staple, as well as easy to find in the grocery store. At this point, the spaghetti is beautifully cooked. Toss in the cooked pasta and stir evenly to fully incorporate all the flavors. And then I will go in with my scrambled eggs and stir till it's well combined. Top it up with grated cheese if you desire. So there you go. Food is ready and it's time to plate. For added texture and presentation, I will sprinkle a bit of dried parsley over the pasta. Dinner or lunch is ready. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.